So welcome to the SimplyDiag video here in bright and sunny Cheshire. It is bright and sunny. Officially the first short stay of the year at work. How about that, eh? Yeah. We're down here at the SimplyDiag Community Hub. Currently running tech support and all that. Got a nice little interesting case study here. Citroen C3 Picasso, white with four wheels. Coming for no drive. So it's got the piloted manual gearbox on it, no drive. We've gone through loads and loads of fault codes in there. One was P0868, hydraulic pressure too low. We used the Topdon Phoenix Max, went in, had a look at the hydraulic pressure. That was 30 bar pressure. So then we used ALLDATA, we got the OEM information from ALLDATA, and apparently that fault code sets with pressure 35 bar or below, no drive. So anyway, we just left it ticking over, warming up. The pressure came up, rose up slowly, and we managed to get the thing turned around and moved about and all that. So yeah, it looks like it's got a bit of an oil leak. So yeah, but nice interesting fault. Something a little bit different from your normal broken wires and all that sort of stuff. Yeah, what can SimplyDiag do for you? Messages on our business page here and get your problem car booked in. Thanks for watching. You're awesome.